Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can cover your dark spots and blemishes very easily. And first, I'm going to be prepping my face. I'm going to be using my 3-in-1 even tone micellar water to cleanse my face. So I'm using a small cotton roll, and I'm just going to be Nivea. I'm just going to be taking little quantity. Recently I have been having breakouts because of ladies, you understand. Yeah, so I've been having some breakouts, plus I've been undergoing a lot of stress. So it's normal if you're going under a lot of stress, then you definitely see some breakouts or some things that are not in accordance with how your skin usually is. I'm just going to be applying something mild just to show you the extent to which what I'm doing is going to cover way more. And I'm going to be doing that without the extra coverage on this part, then with the extra coverage on this part. So I'm going to be doing this part first. I'm taking my Kiss Beauty Fix It spray, and I'm just going to be spraying this part. I'm going to be taking my moisturizer. I'm using CeraVe. It helps to lock in more moisture for me. I'm going to go in with this Milani primer. Then next I'm going with my Zickel oil free. I'm going to be using this Zickel Even True, at the same time Classic. So I'm taking very small quantity, so I'm going to be applying very small quantity also of the Classic. Remember, if you have your exact shade, you do not have to mix in two different foundation colors. Just use your exact shade. I'm going to just be applying them. I'm using my Fix It spray again. So I'm going to be damping it, or dabbing it rather. Remember, this is the part I just applied only my foundation and my skin prep. So now I'm going to be going to the second part of my face, properly prepped, at the same time trying to cover it with the same little amount of foundation. So I already have the same exact mixed shade, some exact one that I'm going to be applying here. Milani mattifying primer, then my Zickel oil control oil free primer, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro corrector. I don't know why this is bent like this, but anyways, the orange corrector is for dark spots, for dark blemishes. Okay, you have dark under eyes, your orange corrector. You have pimples, dark spots, orange corrector. This is for red blemishes, and because red blemishes is mostly found in like on the cooler tones, people who are super light in complexion. So basically I'll be going in with my orange corrector to fill in all those dark spots that I have. It's super concentrated, so you don't need to apply much as though you're applying a foundation, just very small. I use my beauty blender and I dab in just in the around the areas I want it concentrated. I'm using my LA Pro concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to be applying it the parts I have the over the parts I have the corrector. I'll take my beauty blender again and I'm going to dab it just at the same area where I have the concealer and the corrector. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. And add my setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and blend my foundation. Sorry for the previous blurry video, but this is the final look. The camera is not even doing justice. This part is where I only use foundation, but this part is where I did corrector and I concealed it. You can see that all the spots are completely covered. You can see it's a smooth canvas. This is the part, and this is how to cover your dark spots completely. But here you can still see some dark spots and some pimples there just around that area, and also on the forehead region. But here it is completely covered. Everything is completely covered. So stay tuned